Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is what comes in between. KG1 class. First of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first letter is A. This is the capital letter A and the last letter is C. This is the capital letter C. Do you know what comes between A and C? B comes between A and C. Now we will write the letter B in the circle like this. The next letter is E. This is the capital letter E. The last letter is G. This is the capital letter G. Do you know what comes between E and G? KG1 class, read with me the alphabet from A to E. A, B, C, D, E and F. F comes between E and G. Now we will write the letter F in the circle like this. The next letter is L. This is the capital letter L. The last letter is N. This is the capital letter N. Do you know what comes between L and N? Again, read with me the alphabet from A to L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L and M. M comes between L and N. Now we will write the letter M in the circle like this. The next letter is D. This is the capital letter D. The last letter is F. And this is the capital letter F. KG1 class, do you know what comes between D and F? Read with me the alphabet from A to D. A, B, C, D and E. E comes between D and F. Now we will write the letter E in the circle like this.